Thank you, Professor Sir. Far from the truth, as most of our students struggle to pay a very affordable fees, and some end up dropping out before realizing their dreams. In view of this, we request the government, in the interest of fairness and equity, to share the available scholarships and the help loans with the students in private colleges, as these are also Kenyans and should not be discriminated.
TVET institutions have very critical role in developing the Kenya that we want. A country that is developing with a vibrant and sustainable manner. TVET institutions, in my view, need to play other roles as well, inculcating, for example, the principles of peace, unity, togetherness, and the general aspect of love for our nation. And when you say love for our nation, it means love for each one of us.